हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? फ्रेंड्स, आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल, दो आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल में लेटेस्ट वैकेंसीज निकली हैं और ढेर सारी जॉब्स हैं उसमें। आज आपने वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से देखना है कि अप्लाई कैसे करना है, क्योंकि हम मेल एड्रेस पे कई बार सेंड कर देते हैं, कई जगह बाई पोस्ट होता है, कई जगह मेल से होता है, तो इस बात को समझना जरूर है। और फ्रेंड, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपने शेयर करना है अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, ताकि उनको भी फ़ायदा हो सके। तो स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल सुनील कौशल में। तो शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ सारी की सारी वैकेंसीज दोनों स्कूल्स की। As you can see, this is the Army Public School Daksai. This is in District Solan, HP, and the name of the vacancies here. This is a residential school, and the first of the very first vacancies, that is of PGT Mathematics, and only one vacancy is there. The education qualification requirement over here is MA or MSc Mathematics and PH with minimum 50% marks. Secondly, TGT Science. So there is a vacancy for TGT Science. One vacancy is only there, and the qualification requirement is BSc and B.Ed with minimum 50% marks from a recognized university. CTET and TET qualified with 60% marks should have passed online screening exam conducted by Army Public School, AWES, and should be in possession of a valid scorecard. Third vacancy is that of digital social science. That is only one vacancy. For that, the qualification requirement is B and B.Ed with minimum 50% marks, and from a recognized university. MA will be given the preference. CTET and TET qualified with 60% marks should have passed online screening exam conducted by AWES and should be in possession of a valid scorecard. And MA history should be done. Only those candidates will be preferred. TGT Political Science, only one vacancy is there, and you should be MA Political Science and B.Ed with minimum 50% in each from a recognized university. CTET and TET qualification with 60% marks, and should have passed the online screening exam conducted by AWES. Next one is TGT Special Educator. That is only one vacancy. Graduation with B.Ed in special education or B.Ed general with 1 year diploma in special education. Next one is TGT computer science, only one vacancy is there, and you should be BTech in computer science, BSc in computer science, or BSc with 1 year postgraduate diploma in computer science from university or recognized institution. Next one is that of TGT music, as many people, my friends were asking for the music vacancy. So TGT music is the one post opening over here. You should be MA music in vocal with minimum 50% marks, preferably with knowledge of instrumental. And after that, TGT dance, and this is only one vacancy. You should be MA in Indian classical dance from a recognized university. And after that, one matron is required there. So you should be graduate in and fluent in English, and proficiency in games. Administrative experience is desirable over here. And after that, next one is resident nurse. Paramedics is required over here. Only one vacancy is over here. And you should be 10 plus 2 and a diploma in nursing with minimum 5 years of experience. A female paramedic will be given preference. And after that, there is a vacancy of a warden. Two wardens are required over here. You should be graduate, fluent in English, and proficiency in games administrative desirable. So preference will be given to the NIS candidates in case of warden. Now next one is the accountant. One accountant is required. Commerce graduates or 15 years service as a clerk in defense services. Basic knowledge about computer application course of army diploma in computer application, not less than 1 year duration. The knowledge of double entry of accounting, Excel sheet, and accounting software. Minimum 5 years experience as an account clerk in defense service reputed organization. And after that, LDC oblique LDC accounts. Two vacancies are there. So you should be graduate or 10 years of service as a clerk for ex-serviceman, computer literate, and knowledge of computer, MS Office, speed 12,000, key depression per hour. So these are the vacancies, and now from serial number 1 J to N, preference would be given to ex-servicemen, and pay and allowances as per school rules plus accommodation, electricity and water in the school campus will be given at highly subsidized rates. Free messing for self except for office staff, and free education to 2 wards still in service only. And the last date for receipt of the application form is within 15 days of publishing of this advertisement. So it is the latest advertisement, so you have enough time. Fresh candidates below the age of 40 years and experienced candidates minimum 5 years of teaching experience in the last 10 years should have 57 years of age. They can apply, and you have to apply on the format given on school's website, that is www.apsdagshai.org. This is the website. You have to open it, and there will be a format, and you have to fill that format along with copies of certificates and demand draft of rupees 100 in favor of principal APS Dagsai payable at Solon is required to be sent by uh, to the school office by hand or registered post. So online applications will not be accepted over here. So you will have to apply by hand. You can visit the school, or you can send it by registered post. So these are the very important informations. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. If you are shortlisted, you will be called for interview by email or telephonically intimating the date and the time of the interview. So fluency in English and computer literacy are mandatory over here. So friends, this is the first school, and let's talk about the second school here now. This school, the name is Army Public School, Memon Kent, and here the very first kind of vacancies are TGT, that of mathematics, English, Sanskrit, science, SST, Hindi, and Punjabi. So for these all vacancies, you should be graduate with B.Ed and equivalent with minimum 50% marks in each CSP, and CTET, STET is mandatory over here. Secondly, TGT, CSC for this computer science, you should be BCA or graduate in computer science, or BE BTech in computer science. So you can apply over here, or should be a graduate in any subject and A level course from DOIC. So for this vacancy, you should have such kind of qualification. After this, special educator, for special educator, you should be B.Ed with special education, and you should have like a general B.Ed candidate should have 1 year's diploma in special education. After that, one French language teacher, and as per CBSE and AWES rules, they can apply over here. And after that, primary teachers are required. You should be graduate with 2 years diploma in elementary education with minimum 50% marks in each, and you should be CSB and CTET or STET, that is mandatory. Assistant librarian is required. You should be B.Live Science or graduate with the diploma in library science from a recognized institute, and computer literate with minimum 3 years of experience. After that, lab attendant bio is required for bio lab. So you should be 10 plus 2 with science and computer literate. After that, you and there is a vacancy of nursing assistant also. Only lady can apply over here. So you should be 10 plus 2 and diploma in nursing with minimum 5 years of experience. So a female paramedic should be given preference. So age as per 40, fresher candidate should have 40 years, and if you have in last 10 years minimum 5 years of teaching experience, then you can apply up to 57 years of age, and you have to apply on the format given on the school website along with the copies of the documents certificates with 100 rupees challan on or before uh, 20th Feb 2021. So last date of application over here is 20th Feb. You can visit this website www.apsmemon.in, and here you will find the format. You have to fill that format, and by post or by hand you can submit. Online application will not be accepted over here. So, friends, these were the bundle of vacancies for all of you, and I wish best of luck to all of you. Jai Hind.